And that would be a really good idea. And we're trying to start a trend here. We've got so many folks that have invested in this nationwide product over the past 3 months, but specifically over the last 4 weeks. We've got one client who is 50 years young. He works for a major manufacturing firm. He wanted to take $100,000 that he was just really losing money in his investment account that he was doing by himself. And when he retires at age 65, he's going to get $20,800 a year. Also, a lot of people that we see are investing in this nationwide product and they are waiting about 4 years and they're getting between 10 and 11% of their original premium. So you invest $400,000 into this nationwide product that we're talking about, defer 4 years, and you're likely going to see, based on the illustration, it's estimated, not guaranteed, but it is estimated that you're looking at between $40,000 and $44,000 a year in income, depending on your age. That's 10 to 11% of the original $400,000 premium invested. That's much higher than that 4% rule. We preach the 4% rule here on this show. Sam and I've talked about it quite a bit. 4% rule is this: if you take out no more than 4% of your assets each year, you likely won't run out of money. But I would be really careful about not saving. I'd be really careful about not trying to put some of your money into somewhere that is safe, that has 100% financial reserve on the money you put in there. And that's what the regulations are for the state of Georgia, because they're annuities and insurance products, like life insurance, are regulated by the states. They're not regulated by the federal government. And the states have to balance their budgets, and they have to protect their citizens. And what they do is they require that insurance companies and annuity companies reserve 100% of the money you give them, and then they can only take the interest generated off the 10-year treasury, which is what they have to invest in, to then grow your money and also take a portion of the gains.